What's good, gang? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, I'm wearing the same outfit from yesterday's video, but if you guys watched it all the way to the end, you knew why. So before we start into the video and trying to figure out what's in that box back there, mosquitoes, I'm gonna try this white diamond wheel polisher. One of my friends who is a polisher, he said this is the best one on the market. So I'm gonna give it a try and see how it looks, and if it actually works, I'll recommend it to you guys. All right, so you guys see all this right here, right? All this cloudiness. I'm gonna put some of that white diamond polisher on there, and we're gonna see it pick it up, watch. All right, so I put a little bit on there, and I'm gonna just wipe it. And look, that stain that was there, it's gone. All right, so now the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's go get the box. All right, gang, it's time. Let's open it up. I'm dying to see what's in here, just like you guys are. But I already know what's in here. Some of you already know, most of you know. Some of you got it correct. Ooh, nice, I see it in there. Box kind of flimsy though. All right, so as you guys know, your boy got, what did your boy get? Your boy got
these nuts. Got him. Got him.
All right, so your boy got a Voltex bumper, baby. Yeah, this is the lip right here for it, or the underlip for the Voltex bumper. And then we got the actual Voltex bumper right here. Fire, fire.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
All right, so right now we're just gonna be checking the quality of the bumper, making sure there's no breaks, no cuts, none of that weird shit from being shipped. So that way, if it is, I can go and, you know, do my returns. So let's take off all of these plastics here. Sorry if the camera's like uneven or unleveled. It's because I'm in the grass. So I'm just taking off all the plastics here, making sure everything's good. So far so good. Everything seems pretty smooth. I don't see any bumps, no cracks, no nothing. So should be good to go. This Voltex bumper looks good though. I'm excited about it. All right, so next we're gonna look at the under tray, which is the underlip for the Voltex bumper. The under tray looks good. I don't see any defects, nothing. Everything looks good. Now just have to get it painted and it should be good to go. It also comes with hardware. I'm not gonna give the company's name until I test fit it. So I might test fit it today. If I don't today, then I'll do it maybe over the weekend. So here's the hardware right here. So I'm gonna put it together. Okay, so due to the holes being a lot smaller than the screws that they gave me, I'm gonna drill it out and make it a little bit bigger so that way they fit. So hopefully I don't mess nothing up. Alright, so I just cut out, well I didn't cut out, I drilled out all the holes. And now we're gonna place the bumper on top and, you know, get the fitment and all that good stuff. Alright, so one bolt was already in. And we're just gonna work our way all the way around. Start on this side too. Alright, so I finished bolting down the bumper to the lip, and that thing is good. Whew. I want to test fit it. I think I'm gonna try. I never taken off the bumper off my S2000, so hopefully this is not a bitch. Damn, why the engine bay looks so sexy. Whew, that is a nice car right there, guys. This S2000 is so sick. But from what I'm looking at, it looks like you just have to take these Phillips heads off. It's kind of rusty. I'm gonna go ahead and put some WD-40 on it so that way the rest of them come off way easier. First one is off. I'm gonna put them on the floor here. WD-40, baby. All right, let it sit for a little bit. Alright, we're gonna air up the car so that way, I think I need to get over here to take off the bumper. Okay, so after been fighting with all those bolts that's under the bumper, which are these little fuck shits right here, the bumper should be able to come off. Oh yeah, I forgot I screwed this back in. Alright, so the bumper should be able to pop off now. And this is the first time I've ever pulled the front bumper off my car. That's crazy. I don't know, man. Are you guys ready for this? I'm out here sweating. It's hot as hell. After this, I'm gonna go inside and take a shower, bro. But let's get this bumper test fitted. So what do you guys think? Y'all like it, or what? I think it's pretty dope. I think it's gonna flow with everything that I'm doing and going for. Once it's painted, obviously you guys are gonna like it even more. And once I have all the pieces to the puzzle to it, it's gonna look even better. So, is it a yes or is it a no? I like it. I like it a lot. I'm probably gonna have to mess with the fitment just a little bit more because obviously it's fiberglass, and I gotta figure out a way to have it so that way the bumper is held on properly, because right now it's not held on by anything, it's just there. But it looks good. It looks really good. All right, gang. So everything's adjusted, it's on. The fitment is okay. It's not like, I'll say the fitment is 95%. I adjusted it to as much as I can to make it fit and sit as good as possible. So all the bolts and everything is in. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to put the side parts in. I might have to get some like quick releases or something. And there it is, man. Once it's painted, it should look good. So what do you guys think, man? Is it a yes or is it a no? Let me know, man. Let me know before I send this to paint. I feel like I like it. It's kind of throwing me off right now because it's not painted. Once it's painted, I think it'll look 10 times better. But I'm not sure what else I'm gonna get myself into. I'm gonna move all the cars around and stuff like that and get everything situated. And then I'm gonna go inside and edit the first vlog that you guys are gonna watch actually today. So not this one, but the one before this one. I'm tired. I'm tired and I'm super hot. I'm debating if I want to edit first or take a shower. I think I'm gonna edit, and while it's uploading to YouTube, I'll take a shower.
Did your ice wrong, go to Elliot. Ice. Splash on the wrist, J Reddick. I got a bag of drugs, no medic. These niggas drinking on straight synthetic. I ain't tryna fuck no bitch that petty. Skirt on a hole like Andretti's. It'll lock up if you wet it. Chopping it up like machetes. Swerve on the junction spaghetti. Come to the